Hello, good day. So this will be my first time facing the camera, practicing my English skills day one. So bear with me as I speak English all throughout this video. By the way, this video will only last for about 2 to 3 minutes, and I will try my best to speak clearly, fluently, as much as possible. By the way, I am asking for your patience and understanding the way I speak, because most probably I got stuttered, or maybe I may not pronounce the word well, or my uh, my sentence construction is not good as yours. So I want to say sorry for that. So if you have to say something, correct me in a good way or in a constructive one. So by the way, I am already 33 years old, and I came from San Luis Agusan del Sur, and I will the purpose of having this video is to, of course, develop my speaking skills, even though it is late already at the age of 30. But I guess it's not too late. It's better to develop my speaking skills at this moment than ever. So if you want to help me improving my speaking skills, give me or send me some information or set of words that might help the way I speak, because for sure that all throughout this video, the grammar or the sentence construction that come from my mouth is not 100% sure, or even I may fail. So it's almost 3 minutes video. So thank you so much for